Hello everybody, it's your boy here. I'm here trying out some dumplings from Zone. Super excited because I have never been to Zone, but I've always wanted to try, so here we go. Yeah, first up, Xiao Long Bao. I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure. Pork and vegetables maybe. Mmm. Oh yeah. Woo. That's good. I like how it just explodes in your mouth. It's very appetizing. Second up, chicken dumpling. Bam. Mmm. Yeah, great. That's pretty good. Mmm. Mmm. Next up, pot stickers. Got the little crispiness, a little crisp on the bottom. Yeah. Try it out. I think this is also pork and vegetables. Mmm. Oh my god. Bro. Yeah, that's good. I mean, really. Mmm. 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 Okay. So I got a sandwich. A beef sandwich, it looks like, with some veggies in it. Don't know what to expect. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. That's pretty good. Sorry guys. It's just like everything's just hitting me at once. Whoa! I don't even know what it is. That's crazy. Some sort of I think a herb. Xiaolong, I don't know. Xiaolong Bao, I believe. Looks like a little alien spaceship. Mmm. Those are good. Chicken dumpling? Chicken? Or chicken? Can't do pork all the time, right? Or you can, actually. Mmm. That one's good. I like that one. Honestly, though, this one is my favorite. Because it's crunchy, but it's like super filled, and it's also, you know, it's just really good. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know if you guys can see it. Whatever. This one's good because it's pan fried, I believe. Yes, sir. Mmm. You know what it reminds me of? Like eating a tempura. Mm. Woo! Yeah, man, this place is great. Recommend it. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Mm. 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 Oh my god, there's pickles in there. What's so up? Nice. Nice. Like that. Yeah. Another UFO. Here we go. Yeah. Oh shit, I should not poke it because that's a bad idea. You know what I mean? Those ones are really satisfying to eat. They just explode. Yeah. Oh, wow. Very satisfied. I went there trying to order burgers and I somehow ended up getting dumplings. Around the area, not to Adult Zone, because they don't sell burgers there, but I went to the area to get burgers and then somehow I ended up going to Adult Zone. It was destiny. Sorry guys, these sound effects are coming out of me. I can't control them. Just gotta let it happen. Woo! These are bomb. Beef sandwich. Here we go. No, don't dip it. Yeah. I like the greens. Woo! Okay, that's it. I'm closing out this video. Peace!